Okay, before we start, then I want you to open Classroom because I sent you this PDF and you are going to need it in order to complete this activity. So take a minute to do it. Okay, I guess we're all ready. So here it goes, the audio number 1.
Number 1. Hi, my name is Ruth. In my free time, I like to play sports like soccer, basketball, and tennis. I am also a studious person, and I enjoy reading novels and poems.
Okay, choose your answer. Don't worry if you are not sure, because we are going to hear all of the audios a second time. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Number 2. Hello, I am Hannah. My hobbies are cooking and baking. I also like to spend my free time reading and writing while I listen to music.
Take your time and select your answer.
Number 3. Hi, I am Caleb. I am a very artistic person. My hobbies include taking photographs, writing poems, drawing, painting, playing the piano, and watching movies.
Okay, select your answer, please. So, I'm going to play the last audio.
Number 4. Hello, my name is Luis, and my hobby is dancing. In my free time, I practice choreographies, but when I am not dancing, I enjoy playing video games or going out with my friends.
Okay, I guess that you already decide your answers. But we are going to play the 4 audios one last time, just in case you are not sure, and to verify if you were right the first time. Now it is time to discuss the answers. Okay, based in what we heard, the first image corresponds to Caleb's hobbies, because he said that he liked to paint, to watch movies, to write, to take photographs because he is a very artsy person. So if you wrote in this line Caleb, congratulations, you are correct. Let's move to the next photograph. So the answer in this option was Ruth, because she said that she liked sports, she enjoyed reading, and she is a very studious person. So if you wrote here the name Ruth, you were correct. Let's move to the next image. Okay, so the answer to whose hobbies are these is Hannah, because she said that she enjoy cooking, baking, listening to music, and writing. And last but not the least, these are Louis' hobbies, because he's the last person and because he said that he enjoyed dancing, playing video games, and going out with his friends. And if you have any doubts about vocabulary or about the answers that I just gave you, you can ask me right now, or you can send me an email and I'll answer you straight away. Okay? You don't have any doubts, then this is all. See you next class.